Good morning to everyone. I'm Dr. Sumi MS. The name of the course is Object Oriented Programming, and today's lecture topic is Operators from Unit 1 Introduction to OOP and Java. On completion, the students will be able to explain the various types of operators that are being used in Java and also write down Java program to apply the different operators and variables to perform various operations. Operators. Java operators can be classified as unary, binary or ternary, that is taking 1, 2 or 3 arguments respectively. In the case of a unary Java operator, the operator requires only one operand. They are mainly used to perform various operations, that is incrementing or decrementing a value that is stored in a variable by 1, negating an expression or a variable value, and inverting the value of a boolean. Java unary operator. Example, increment as well as decrement. So in this program, example program, we shall see how incrementing, pre-incrementing, post-incrementing as well as post and pre-decrementing are being carried out on a single variable which is declared and initialized with an integer value. So here x is declared as an integer data type variable with can store integer values, and here it is initialized with the value 10. And in the first print statement, the value is printed and then it is being incremented, that is post increment. So here 10 is printed and the value of x is incremented from 10 to 11. And when the next print statement is being called, the value is incremented and then printed. So now the value in x is 11, which is incremented once again to 12, and that is being printed. And later in the third print statement, the value stored in x is printed and after that it is being decremented, which is post decrement. So here 12 is the value that is being stored, which is printed and then it is decremented to 11. Now in x we have value 11, and the final print statement is decrementing the value of x and then it is printing, that is pre-decrement. So here the value of x is 11, which is decremented to 10 and that is being displayed. So 10 is displayed as output. A binary or ternary operator appears between its arguments. Here the operator will be performing certain operations based on two or more operands. So the operations are generally assignment operation, arithmetic, relational, logical, bitwise or compound assignment operation, or conditional and type. So certain assignment operators, mostly commonly used assignment operator is the equal to, and we have various arithmetic operators to perform various arithmetic operations and so on. So Java assignment operator. The Java assignment operator statement has the following syntax. Variable which is being assigned to an expression or a value. So if the variable is already having a value, then it can be overwritten with the assignment operator. So in this example program, there are two variables a and b which are of the integer data type and they are initialized with values 10 and 20 respectively. Then with the help of assignment and arithmetic operators, the values are being overwritten. So here a plus equal to 4, which means a is equal to a plus 4. So the value of a is overwritten as 10 plus 4, that is 14. Similarly b minus equal to 4, that is b is equal to b minus 4. The value of b is 20, which is subtracted from 4 and it is saved in the same variable b. Next, the two print statements will be printing the current value of a and b variables. Java arithmetic operators. The Java arithmetic operators are used to perform various arithmetic operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, etc. And here we shall see an example for variable a with value 10 and b with value 20. While adding, we have the answer as 30, and in the case of subtraction, a and b are subtracted and it will give a value of minus 10. Same way, multiplication, it produces a value 200, and division, which gives the remainder as 2, and modulo division gives, division which gives the quotient as 2, and modulo division gives the remainder value of 10 and 20, which is 0, and increment increases the value that is being stored in the operand by 1, and decrement decreases the value that is stored in the operand by 1. And we shall see an example program for arithmetic operation. So here the class name is operator example, and in the main function we have a print statement which is dynamically performing the operation and displaying the output. So here arithmetic operations like multiplication, division, addition and subtraction are carried out on a single statement, and the output is obtained as 21, which is being printed. Relational operators. Relational operators are used in Java to compare two or more variable values. So there are 6 normally used relational operators, that is equal to, which means it is checking whether the value that is being stored in the two variables are the same, and not equal to, which is nothing but it is checking whether the value that is being stored in the two operands are not the same, and greater than, to check whether the value stored in the left operand is greater than the value that is stored in the right operand, and less than, it checks whether the value of the left operand is lesser than the value of the right operand. Greater than or equal to, it checks the value of the left operand is greater than or equal to the value that is stored in the right operand. Similarly, less than equal to checks if the value of the left operand is lesser than or equal to the value that is being stored in the right operand. Quiz questions on operators. List the different operators in Java. Write down a Java program to apply relational operators for various integer variables. Thank you.